Sometimes people say, you have no direction. You have no path. And they're right. I have no path. Look, it's gone. Oh my God. It's gone, gone, gone. And look, there's my bedroom and my ride-on mower sitting in the underground lake. And poor Lucy, Lulu, oh baby girl, she's so naughty, she refuses to go into a bed because she's scared, she doesn't like storms. Poor baby girl. Aww. Ash has given her loves because she feels sorry for her. What a good kitty. Give Lucy loves, darling. So there you go. And apparently this isn't the worst of it yet. At least there's 2 steps it's got to get up. Isn't that right, Jack? He hasn't budged. I washed his coat and dried it and put it back on him last night. And I know he hasn't budged because the coat's dry. There you go.